So I promised I was going to give you guys a view out my window. Last night, all it was given was a reflection because it was too dark outside. So this is what I'm looking at in China. When I look out my window, you'll see that that old-fashioned traditional Chinese building over there. I'm gonna find out what it is. I'm gonna ask Emma when she arrives this morning. And these are the other moderner types of buildings. And I'm noticing around China, there's a mixture of both of them, quite frequently. They'll bring in the new, but they'll also retain the old, which makes a very interesting cityscape. Makes it kind of fun too. So this is what I look at when I look out my window. A lot of tall buildings everywhere, densely populated. You see the one over there with the little rooftop looking gardens. I don't know if I'm capturing it good. These are the kind of buildings that you see in movies a lot. So that's my view from my window. And I'll be leaving shortly to go navigate and find good fun stuff to do here in China. Talk to you later.